Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 20th of November, 2018. Currently, it is 29 degrees. That's going to be the coldest it is today. It's going to get a little bit warmer. It's going to get up to about 31, 32 degrees. Right now, there's a 70% chance of snow. That should taper off as the day goes on. Our PBIS expectation for the week, remember, we're talking about being safe on the playground. Make sure you're staying in the school zone, being responsible, making sure you're taking turns and playing by all of the rules. And then also making sure that you're keeping hands and feet to yourself. Reminder that this is the last day of the school week. You guys get Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday off. Hopefully you enjoy your turkey day. Lunch today, I did not change this. So, lunch today is actually the sliced turkey breast, mashed potatoes, gravy, cranberry sauce, green beans, and some of that yummy pumpkin pie. And our special announcements, just today is the last day of the War on Grumbling. We'll come on at the end of the day to do our grumbling announcements. Today is also the last day of collection of costumes. We had a board presentation last night. Here's Charles flying his glider. Here's Nevaeh, Lillian, and Charles after their presentation to the Board of Education. And there is Lillian and Nevaeh demonstrating their robot. Here is Nevaeh driving it around. Lillian showing off her egg after it successfully crashed. Now, I want to thank each one of our students for doing a fantastic job. I also want to thank all of our staff members who came to the school or came to the presentation as well. We greatly appreciate each of you doing that. All right, so here we go with the Pledge of Allegiance. Students, if you could please stand for the pledge. I still didn't get any takers for where this picture was taken. So if you know where this picture was taken, it has something to do with the Star-Spangled Banner and the city I lived in before coming here. All right, here we go with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements this morning. Please, as always, make sure you're doing things the Voyager way. And go, Voyagers, and enjoy your Thanksgiving break.